Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add keyboards on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down and click the Keyboard. Then after that, in this part, click again the keyboards. Then in the keyboards, click the add new keyboard. Then after that, in this part, select the country that you are in to change or add a new keyboard. For example, you want to add the Albanian keyboard. So all you have to do is just tap. Then your keyboards will now added on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added keyboards on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!